Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So let's get started to the video. Here comes the Cocoon MyData Rewards app. This is available for Android users, Mac users and the Windows users, whereas it is not right now available for iOS users. And here you can see I have enabled this feature. So if you don't enable it, you won't earn. So all you need is you sell the data and you earn. It's not about your personal data, but whenever you surf something on the web, you just earn for surfing that website or those websites, whichever you browse on your browser. All you need is browse on your own terms, surf the web as you normally do every time, and they doesn't ask to do any task or so ways. And you can always view your progress after the initial 45 days. You will see your My Data Rewards account page populated with cash earned for your first month of surfing the web. You can view your progress anytime by going to your account home page within the browser. Check your account page often for useful tips on how to be a top earner, and they doesn't require any bank account details. All they need is PayPal account email address to share your earnings that you have earned. And here you can see here the referral system, how it works. Whenever you refer your friend, you earn $2 when they earn $7. So if you refer 5 friends, you get $10. And like this you can use the app. I've shared the link in the description so that you can sign up and start installing the app on your mobile and application on your Windows or Mac OS operating systems or the computers which you use. And hope you like the video. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.